Guys, what's up? So this is a 2017 Toyota Camry. We are going to change the light bulb. So this light bulb is messed up. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna change the light bulb to this light bulb. All right. All you gotta do is twist it off. It's pretty much a twist off. I know there's a screw right here. I originally thought you'd have to unscrew it, but no, you don't have to unscrew it. You gotta take the plug off and then screw it off and then screw it back in. That's all you gotta do, guys. All right, that's how you change it on both sides. So that's how you do it. Don't mess around with the screw right here. I was about to unscrew it, so you gotta just turn it and then take this plug off and then just turn it. That's what you gotta do. Side two, I'm gonna try to turn it with the battery. I'm not gonna take the battery out. Pretty easy. Just turn it this way. Just turn it this way. Turn it this way, not this way, but this way. I don't know how to explain it. This way. Turn it to your right. Turn it to your right. All right, it'll just come off.